Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. मैं शान मोहम्मद. In this video, I'm gonna talk to you why is it important to learn English language. इस वीडियो में मैं आपसे ये बात करना चाह रहा हूँ कि अंग्रेज़ी ज़बान का सीखना अहम क्यों है. मैं कुछ पॉइंट्स आपके सामने रखता हूँ. As we know, English is the most spoken language in the world. We can say it, English is a global language, and above all, English is the medium of instruction and communication. So I am here to teach you English language with super easy way. Because I have been teaching English language for many years, Inshallah, I will share with you a lot of material and resources of reading, writing, listening, and speaking skills. And more, I will share with you the secret of learning a new language. I will present here all the lessons of basic grammar to advanced reading, writing, speaking, along with worksheet and PDF. So please subscribe my YouTube channel English with Shan. Thanks for watching.